Hey guys, this is Hokma Finance Canada. In this video, we are going to learn how to change your TD Canada account password online. We will also put a link in the description below. To start, open the website, then click on Login under EasyWeb Online Banking. Now, log in with your username or access card and password. Once you're logged in, you will see several options at the left side menu. Click on the option that says Profile and Settings. On this page, you will see a section for Password and Security. Click on Password and Security. On this page, you will see a section for Password. Beside it is an edit icon. Click on the edit icon. Before you proceed, a pop-up message will appear that says for security purposes, a one-time security code will be sent to your phone number. Select how you wish to receive the code, either via text or call. Once you receive the code, enter it on the field provided. Then click on Enter. Now, enter your current password on the first field. On the second field, enter the new password you wish to use. Then confirm new password on the third field. After entering, click on Done. That's how you change your TD Canada account password online. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos related to financial apps almost every day.